G'day everyone. As I mentioned in one of my other videos, we've got a lovely bunch of bananas up there, and it's now time to cut the flower off the bottom. The reason for this is we're getting small bananas down there which are immediately falling off, but it's taking nourishment from the ones that are growing. So let's do that now, and we'll try and find a use for that banana flower too. So this is my banana plantation from the other side, and the ones I know, this one is my dwarf William. We've got three banana plants there, I think. That one is ladyfinger. That one is, I think, stacker. And that is my blue Java. If we come through and have a look, we're ready to cut it off. So, as I said, there's little bananas here, but where they're growing from down here, they're just falling off. So we want to cut this off. There we go. So all of the energy is now going to go into the bananas, and I believe we can open that up and fry the little baby banana flowers in there. So we might give that a shot. You can go back in the garden. So, can you take that, please, camera person? And I'll try and get out of here without breaking my neck. So now we have the banana flower inside, and this is what we're after. All of these. So I want to get them out. These would have grown into bananas, but very small ones. They're the ones that were growing and then falling off. So how do we open this fella up? Cut some of the flowers off, but not to worry. I'm going to look a recipe up for these. The reason I pulled this off is all the small bananas that were coming out of the flower were just falling off straight away. So I don't think they'd ever grow into real bananas, and this would be taking a lot of the energy from the banana plant. Okay, that'll do. They're getting really small now, so that will do us. That can all go in the compost. Lovely compost. And interestingly, let's taste one. Wow. That is bitter. That's horrible. Yuck. I'm going to look up and see if there's... Oh. That is so bitter. I'm going to look up and see if there's a recipe, but I don't think we'll use the flowers. Anyway, hope you enjoyed trimming my banana tree. I didn't enjoy eating the flower. That was horrible. Maybe you're just not meant to eat it raw. Enjoy life. Catch you in the banana tree.